Hey, it's Thinker here. Today I'm sharing a seafood gumbo recipe that is not traditional at all. I had a lot of leftovers from the seafood bowl like mussels, shrimp, scallops, and smoked sausage, so I've decided to make seafood gumbo out of it. Why did I say earlier that this is not a traditional seafood gumbo? It's because I cheated and used Tony Chachere's Roux mix. So this is how it went. I chopped 5 sticks of celery, 1 onion, and 1 red bell pepper, and set aside. Now the roux. Per the instruction, I used 1 cup of roux mix and 2 cups of water. In medium-low heat, stir it until it thickens. Add 1 cup of beef broth. Add the chopped vegetables. And 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Add 5 cloves of minced garlic. Cover the pot and let it boil in the medium heat for about 20 minutes. Next up is seafood. Throw them in and keep them in for another 10 minutes. All seafood that was added in this pot was already cooked, so I did not have to cook them for a long time. The gumbo is ready to serve. I put a bowl of rice and added gumbo around it. I did not make this gumbo in the traditional Louisiana style, but I was pretty satisfied with the result. I'll do some more studying on the traditional gumbo and do another video next time. There you have it. If you have a bunch of leftovers from your last seafood bowl, make some seafood gumbo and I'm pretty sure you will like it. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Please also check out my Instagram handle at MeatThinker. Thank you for watching and keep me thinking.